Hello, my name is Pamela Godin, and I'm looking at quantifying the impacts of Arctic warming and permafrost degradation on the organic carbon budget of the Hudson Bay. I collected samples from aboard the CCGS Amundsen for 15 of the major rivers of the Hudson Bay, along with soil and permafrost samples. Currently, I am working out of Oregon State University with Dr. Miguel Goni in the Coast Lab, where a lignin biomarker technique called cupric oxidation method has been developed in order to assess source and sink of carbon. I am analyzing my samples using isotope ratio monitoring, gas chromatography, and mass spectrometry. This method has been shown to enhance source-specific biomarkers when coupled with stable carbon isotope analysis. I hope you will come by on Monday, April 23rd, between 5 and 7 p.m., and I look forward to your questions and ideas.